Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable Dolby Atmos and surround sound streaming. So we will on our laptop and make sure you will have laptop device and you will be just download this VLC media player and I will be just open it and I will just show you how to just enable Dolby surrounding sound and we will move in this tools section. I will just tab on it and just tap for preferences and in here you will just select this all and just find in the left side you will see the audio option. I will just tap on it simply and here is the force detection of Dolby surround. So make sure you will just have to turn it on and just tap on it save. So in this way you will just have to enable Dolby Atmos surround sound streaming. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.